How are we doing, guys? Welcome to Trade Confident. Merry Christmas Eve. Let's go over Bitcoin. We have some crucial levels. If Bitcoin can hold above these levels, we will stay bullish. But if not, we will actually be breaking the uptrend pattern and looking to become very bearish. Guys, we just ended up winning our 98th for 98th trade on this channel. And this is a trade that I was personally in myself. We ended up taking 14.70% profit on Mana. And we just took another, I would say, 6.40%. I did the video on Mana today. You guys can take a look at that. But that trade is closed for Mana, and we just got into our next trade. Literally, I sent out a Telegram post about this 5 minutes ago, so make sure you guys are watching that. In the second half of the video, I will tell you guys and show you exactly how to get over into our membership over here so you guys can actually take all the trades that we're taking. You guys are able to come over here and copy everything that I'm doing because we have never lost a single trade, okay? Let's go over Bitcoin. Let's get serious about what's going on here going into Christmas Eve and Christmas. All right, you guys, spend good time with your family, but the crypto markets might get a little crazy this weekend, all right? Here's the level we need to be watching right now. The level for Bitcoin, do you guys remember when I said if we break above 50,000, we're going to get bullish? We did. And what we are forming right now on Bitcoin, and even let me just point this out for Ethereum for you guys, we are getting what's called a bull flag on Ethereum. So we've got the flagpole and we've got the flag pattern is what they call it to the downside. If this can break up here, we are going to target $4,500 for Ethereum. That's the next greatest structure resistance from a technical analysis perspective. All right, Bitcoin over here. If we can stay above this level right here, basically above $50,000, it will keep us above structure low here, which will officially keep the uptrend pattern of a low, a high, a higher low, higher high, and getting a higher low. Once this price actually breaks down below this support here and starts moving back up, that is actually an official downtrend. A downtrend is a high, a low, a lower high, and a lower low. So we really need to stay above $50,000. If you guys are looking at one thing this weekend, I'm going to, enjoy my family, obviously enjoy Christmas, but something I'm going to be keeping, if I'm honest, in the back of my mind a little bit is Bitcoin above 50,000? Because watch this, guys. Get the price per swell money flow trend exhaustion and trend dashboard on your charts, guys. These are the best indicators to call drops in the market. Let's give you guys some behind the scenes look here. Money is flowing out of the market, okay? This green line here represents the flow of money. It is moving out of the market while the price is making a high and another higher high. You need to be aware of this on today's video. This will most likely push the price of Bitcoin back down a decent amount unless it stays above structure support here and we start bouncing up again. Trend exhaustion is high. Do you guys know what happens when the trend exhaustion gets high based off our charts? And we recoded this indicator so it's even better. This is where the market stops. We're literally predicting these global markets here, guys, with these two indicators. Nothing else that's crazy. Literally, these two are the two most accurate ones to call the drops and the pops in Bitcoin. Even when we move down to the bottom section here, you guys are seeing that we saw moves back up. I'm going to find this for you guys. I didn't do this previously, but I'm just going to keep drawing these real quick just to show you guys what it looks like. Literally, bottom section here, we're moving up. Bottom right section, we're moving up. It is crazy how accurate we're able to call these moves in the market. Let me show this to you guys. I'm going to find divergence that's happened before because I want to really point this out. Here is an example right here. When you got a high and you got another higher high in price, when you look straight down, what happened with the flow of money? Do you guys see what happened? The flow of money completely moved out of the market. This is telling us that this is a bull trap to the upside. Okay, bull traps telling people get in your buy stop orders, which is a trade of a breakout method, which is a buy stop. A buy stop is basically people who trade with orders above structure high because they want to trade the breakout. Here's the thing, guys. Don't ever trade like that again unless you guys have these indicators. Trend exhaustion this ridiculously high in here, that pushed us into the entire bear market cycle for the crypto market when this divergence came out right here. Okay, do you guys understand that? And then we start coming into the future here and we're like, oh, we're making some good rally moves up here. But what's happening? You're getting a high and another higher high on wick action here, and the price is staying very elevated. Look at what happened with the flow of money, guys, in the same duration of time. It completely dropped out of the market. This is why this is so much fun to have these indicators. Look, price action going sideways in pink. What's happening with the flow of money? Heading straight down. So what can we know here? Money is not following price action. That is how we got the crash. You can't have just retail traders trying to pump the market up here while you have the whale money starting to push their trades out, and that's where the drops can happen. We need to be watching for that. We need, guys, for a bullish market to continue, we have to stay above 50,000. If we break down into the 49s, the 48s, that's going to break the uptrend pattern. And if we ever break below this support here, it's an official break, and that is no longer an uptrend pattern for a higher low. Does that make sense? Anything within this area here is okay. The moment this breaks down here, that is actually not, that's a break of an uptrend pattern, okay? And we could be getting bearish. All right, watch this. Let's go over the metrics here, and then I'll get you guys into our trades so you guys can literally take the rest of the trades that we went over here, because I think we might actually end up going 100 for 100 by the end of the month. Avalanche might be our next win, just hint, hint. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time is going to update. Emotional index on Bitcoin right now is sitting in the neutral section. This makes sense because we haven't seen some crazy pumps up as of recent. We're still within this channel right here where it's a predictable move back up and down. It's just this ping pong action we've been seeing in here, and we may start moving back down. Once we start pushing up here, that's when we're going to start seeing the market get a little bit greedy and excited, and that's where you want to look to take some profits on your long trades. Not to FOMO in. You don't want to FOMO in when everyone's really excited and greedy. Why? Because the market ends up dropping back down, and wells and institutions are going to short you guys out. I've proven this to you guys many times. That's why we haven't lost a trade here. We trade against retail traders. All right. By the way, just real quick, I know going to the holiday season, you guys can get the indicators on our Christmas sale. They're 84% off. They're never going to be lower than this again. I want to say it in the beginning of the video in case you guys want to snag those real quick and you guys want in the video or such like that. But that's the Christmas sale we have going on. I'll go over it in a second. Just want to quickly say that. All right. Blockchain metrics for Bitcoin. What are we seeing? We saw price action heading down here, and we have seen nothing but a bullish amount of long trades come into the market. And positive news, guys. Short trades have been moving out. That is how we've been able to sustain this uptrend here. And guys, if Bitcoin can get one nice pump up here on Christmas, oh man, it's going to make people so happy because we can start moving back up here. I'm watching Ethereum today to see if we can stay above this. Basically, it's an ascending support line. If that can be held, the market's going to go back up, and it's going to be a nice Christmas day. All right. But if it breaks below 50,000, it may not be as favorable as we think. Okay. Long versus short trade risk in here. We're still sitting in the neutral section, but we are closer down here to good long trades. I do believe that is true because, well, look at where we've come from. Does this look like a great place to short the market just to head down further? No, like these patterns in the market here are where it's just healthy higher low formations and then due for pumps back up. I'm seeing a ton of YouTubers get bullish recently on 2022. I think they're onto something. I am agreeing with them, okay? Take a look at this. We saw the price action head up here and short trades moved into the market for wealth institutions. That is them looking to possibly short the market back down. And they have made some decent money. But we're seeing this impulse happen here, and something we have to realize, guys, and that I haven't heard any YouTuber talk about this, and that's not to bash anyone else, so please don't take it like that. It's just retail traders collectively as a whole are one of the biggest whales out there. They really are, if you collectively put them all together, and they trade with emotions. And just to be honest, guys, most of them trade with emotions. That's why we start with this chart here. We trade against those traders. But guys, if this starts moving up here and Bitcoin starts coming up really fast, I can bet you guys we're going to see wealth institutions look to short this back down. Okay, they are going to do that, and you're going to see this, and we are going to get some healthy higher lows, and it may actually happen this weekend where we start seeing a drop back down here. I think everyone would wish it stays higher, but I'm not going to be biased on this channel. The point is we got to stay above that level. All right, let's go over this, and then I'll get you guys into the next trades. As far as resistance, I'm looking at basically the $50,000 level, and as for support, I'm looking at 45,000. 50,000, excuse me, guys. Let's go back here. We've already moved up from there. The next target is around, I would say $60,000 up here at the high is where we're really targeting the next move, because once you break this resistance, which we're very close to that now, a break of this resistance now is just going to push us up to this resistance here. I know there's an argument where people are going to say, probably we're going to head to about 53,000. Yeah, that's true. But the next strongest resistance up here really is right around this area of about $60,000. 59, if we get super precise, 59,328. So that's a place where we could head, putting everybody into the profit in about 7% gains. That's going to be super nice for the market, and our account will definitely be going up here. Let me just show you guys what I'm doing over here for this. We're up about $3,000 in the last 24 hours, so about $3,400. So that's not bad at all. So we're looking very good here. Let's keep going here, and I want to end this with showing you guys how to get into our next trades, because we're going to do, I think 2022 is going to be super amazing. Dollar cost average entries. If you guys have 10,000 bucks or something like that, want to throw 1,000 bucks into each green line, awesome. Hold for the long term. That's all that's for. Exit points, giving us a call here saying, hey, look for the drop yesterday. And did we get the drop? Yeah, we actually did get the drop right when that came out. Kind of, not spooky, that's kind of a weird word to use, but kind of crazy how accurate these metrics are able to call these drops in here. And guys, the trend exhaustion, which you guys need to get, is up here, and money is flowing out of the market. So heads up, this could be moving back down. All right. Let's get you guys into these trades. Here's the deal, guys. We had a trade to do for $8,000 on Mana yesterday. Incredible. I did pretty well on Mana myself too, and we're back in that trade. Another trade did $8,000 here. He just started a month ago. Guy does 12% profit over here, and he's just loving that. With the indicators, guys, the indicators you do not want to miss. I had a guy down here do $20,000 in crypto with just the trend exhaustion and the price versus the well money flow. These two indicators are 84% off today, and I won't have them lower than this again. I'm being honest with you guys. Mark the words. $2,300 in a single day with two indicators. Well, which ones? The trend exhaustion and the price versus the well money flow, okay? This guy does $61,000 in a single night. These are just recent testimonials that we've gotten like not too long ago. $4,000 off Cardano. Like literally this guy who made $8,000 was just yesterday, okay? Incredible testimonials. You guys can come down here and look, and you guys can look at all these if you want. They're really fun. This guy woke up in the morning to $4,000. This guy in here, this is the only channel where I can actually make money. This is the best advice any person can receive. Thanks, man. That's super cool. Here's how we do this, guys. Let's not going to do any more marketing. It's $49 a month. That gives you access into all of our trade setups and all of our metrics over here. So that price is going to be going up. If you guys get in now at $49 a month, I will grandfather all of you guys in so you're not paying the higher prices. That membership will give you access to all the metrics we just went over for Bitcoin, as well as our other coins in here. We have a total of 12, all right? All right, sorry guys, had to do a quick little edit on that. Okay, get into Bitcoin here. This is what I'm going to show you guys, because all of our trades, like I just mentioned, we were 98 for 98 wins. I had a notification come up here, so I wanted to take care of that real quick, so I had to chop the video up. Sorry about that being really maybe one of the worst YouTube edits you've ever seen in your life. So here's how you guys get into our trades. Obviously, we're talking about Bitcoin today, so let me show this to you guys. At 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and this might have updated. Yeah, we're currently updated. So these are the official buy limits today for 12/24, so Merry Christmas Eve, everybody. These are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We are going to just make this super, super simple for all of you guys. What you're going to do is this. You're going to take the amount that you want to trade each of our coins with, let's say it's $1,000. Split that into 4 equal portions, so $250 each. You're going to place 25% of your trade allocation, so $250 each, at each of these buy limits in here, okay? Buy limit 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once your first buy limit is hit, you're simply just going to set up a sell limit in your exchange up here so you guys can get basically an automatic exit if the market pumps super fast. All right, if we break above this, resistance that I'm talking to you guys about, and this actually starts moving up here fast, we could end up hitting some targets like that. Who knows? I've seen crazier things happen where we've hit some higher targets here very, very quick. So overnight, you guys want to set that up just in case that happens. All right, once your buy limits are set up, do not move any of your other buy limits. So literally, you're going to set up all 4 buy limits today on your exchange for any of the coins that you want to trade. Leave them where they're at, let the first one get hit, and then follow me in the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits with the indicators, okay? That was a terrible line, but you guys are going to sign into Telegram on your phone or your computer first. And then you guys are going to click the Telegram link here, and that will give you guys access into the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits with the indicators, okay? I'm using them over here. You guys need to watch how I'm doing this, because this is how we're winning trades. Here's the deal on the indicators, guys. You have this month only to snag this. You guys are going to get 84% off of this for Christmas, okay? I just came out with an email, and I blasted it out to you guys, and you guys were able to have that. You guys can use a coupon code Christmas. When you click this link here, click it this today, click this, and it will give you guys the checkout page. Click I want this, add it to your cart. Before you enter your payment information, enter the coupon code Christmas, and it will give you guys 84% off or another 50% off the listed price. I will never have it lower than this price again, so make sure you guys are snagging these indicators. We have called the drops on Bitcoin and Ethereum with incredible accuracy, and hopefully I can prove this to you guys. We have never lost a trade, and part of this is majorly due to the indicators calling the tops and the bottoms. If you have that type of accuracy, and precision on your side when you were trading, that would make the world of a difference. And I'm trying to prove that to you guys. This is going to go up $50 at the end of the month when the prices increase, as well as I'm going to up the price of the price for swell money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion before quarter one of this next year. So these three that you guys want to copy my charts, these all three are going to go up in price. Now, you guys can get these three. That's fine. Use coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout and you'll get 58 to 60% off. You're going to be overpaying by about 25%. So it's better right now just because of the Christmas sale going on to get the bundle pack. You guys pay a few more dollars and you actually get 6 indicators on top of these 3, totaling 9 indicators with the bundle pack, and you're going to get everything you need anyways. It is so much fun to use these, and I'm going to be going into next year showing you guys how to incorporate more of these. But as these go up, it's better to snag them now because you're obviously going to have to pay the higher price later. Last thing I'm going to put real quick, guys, and I'll leave this alone. You guys, whoever's out there watching this video right now, I know there's people who are like, hey, Travis, I just bought the trend exhaustion because I love that, or I bought the price for swell money flow. I've already paid into these indicators. Can I pay the difference and just get the bundle pack since it's on sale today? Yes. Email us in at betradeconfident@gmail.com. Whatever you have purchased already, I will give you guys a PayPal link for the difference so you guys can snag the rest of the bundle pack on sale. That will give you guys the rest of them at a ridiculously low price so you're not having to overpay. I will honor every single one of you guys who emails us in and tells me about that. That's for the life of the business. You don't have to just do it today. Literally, if you ever buy one indicator and I do a sale like this, come out and I will give you guys the best deal and I'll just have you guys pay the difference. I'm not going to just try to take more money from you guys. It's ridiculous. I'll always be giving you guys the best deals no matter what. You have my word on that. Okay, guys. Bitcoin, we got to stay above $50,000. If we don't stay above $50,000, this could get very bearish. So definitely be watching this market today. $50,000 where we need to stay above. If we don't stay above 50,000, the next target is going to be 4,800. Excuse me, 48,000 down here. 48,000 is the next greatest structural support here if we break 50,000. But if we keep going up here, the next greatest resistance, guys, let's pull this first one is at 53,000, and then the next one is actually at 59,000. So let's see what happens. God bless you guys so much. Have a Merry Christmas. We're only doing a half day today, so if we're going to take that half of today off in the weekend as well, but I'll be back Monday. But guys, make sure you guys get the indicators set up. You guys watch this, watching for this drop back down. Make sure you guys get the indicators set up before those go up in price. You guys have this month only. Make sure you guys have the membership set up before that goes up in price as well. And then make sure you guys are getting set up into your buy limits over here and getting in the Telegram channel where I'll keep you guys updated. God bless you guys. Have an amazing day. Everything you need is in the description or pinned to the first comment of this video. Bye, guys. Have a good one. We'll see ya.